From the moment it's put down, asphalt begins to deteriorate. Damage from oxidation, heavy traffic, and water are the major culprits. Each of these does damage to asphalt on their own, but together, they compound and accelerate the decline. Let us show you how. The UV rays from the sun, combined with oxygen, cause the flexible material within the asphalt surface to begin binding with each other the moment it's laid down. This causes the asphalt to lose its flexibility, becoming rigid and brittle. This process is known as oxidation. And then there's traffic. The beating an asphalt surface gets from vehicles is not to be underestimated. Thousands of pounds are driving, turning, and bumping along your roadways and parking lots, all while your asphalt continues to lose flexibility. The continued wear and tear on a brittle surface causes the asphalt to crack and break open. These cracks are now the perfect opportunity for water. Cracks or breaks in the asphalt allow water to penetrate past the surface and into the subgrade below. This causes the subgrade to fall away from the asphalt it's supporting. Without that support, further traffic pushes the asphalt down, causing potholes and more severe problems. The longer these issues are allowed to continue, the worse they get, increasing your liability and the cost to fix them. But that's okay, we're here to help.